Hey guys, so today I want to talk about Higgsfield AI, which is an AI video creation platform and is genuinely creator friendly. And inside this one platform, you get access to all the world models Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 audio, and WAN 2.5, and much more. A little bit about Higgsfield AI. It's a hot, fast growing Gen AI company. It has recently raised 130 million and is already at 1.3 billion valuation. To showcase how I use Higgsfield AI, what I have done is taken an AI avatar, which is already an existing avatar for my product, and I used Higgsfield AI to create a short video which showcases my product. So, before going deep into the Higgsfield AI workflow which I used, I want to give a little bit of background about the AI avatar that I already use. So, I run an AI trip planner which is focused on Southeast Asia, and the face of the product is an AI avatar on Instagram and TikTok by the name of Anya. And she is not an influencer, she is a super user of my product. And she showcases the various features that I have on my web app on her social media handles. Apart from that, the product is heavily focused on localized intel. So, through the AI avatar that I have, I share a lot of localized travel intel focused on Southeast Asia. So as you can see that because I have this AI avatar and I also need to create videos using this AI avatar, consistency becomes a really important parameter for me. I would like to use the AI avatar in different angles, different places, showcasing different things. And that's not easy, right? This is where I have played around with other video creation tools as well. And I also decided to try out Higgsfield AI to see how the consistency is for my AI avatar. So there is so much you can do using Higgsfield AI, but I had a short concept in my mind, and so I decided to use the storyboard feature, right, with Higgsfield Popcorn. And I went into the manual mode and wrote down what happens in each and every scene. So, scene by scene, I created what I wanted to, I wrote it all down. And for reference, for example, I started with, the clips, right? Or what the scene should look like. So the establishing shot, for example, she's standing in Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. What's her posture like? Then I went into, showcasing where she's going next and what is the problem that she's facing when she's at the food center. And I talked about my product placement there. So all of this I just wrote it down. I just fine tuned all these clips using chat gpt, and after these clips were ready, or I had an indicator of how the scenes are looking like, I then went into the storyboard mode and created each and every scene one by one. There were about eight of them. And if you basically see here, I did a lot of experiment. So she was, for example, the starting scene is Gardens by the Bay. Then I wanted to show her at a food center. I wanted to show her using the phone because that's where my product placement comes in. I want to show her looking a bit confused, then a bit happy when the food comes in. So all of these thoughts were there. And so I used the storyboard feature. I created each and every scene one by one. I also want to tell you that what I really liked was the consistency because I uploaded only one image of how the avatar looks like. And I also want to tell you that I created the avatar using another tool many months back. And that's the only reference image I have. So I used only one image and different scenes, and there, Higgsfield AI helped me create all of these pictures, and I really like the consistency. So after creating all of these images and the storyboard, I wanted to do voiceovers. I don't want the lip sync feature on the AI avatar. I wanted to really just do voiceovers. And so here's where I went next. I went into the lip sync studio where basically I recorded my own voice using my phone recorder and just uploaded those audio clips and basically just added a prompt, say Anya walking along the cityscape, camera zooms out into the surroundings, and it has my voice. And, basically, this is how it sort of looks like, just to give you an example.
Travelwithlokki.ai gives me real local insights when I travel to Southeast Asia.
So this is what I was able to do, with the zoom out shots and all of that. And the beauty is that if you give it camera angles, if you really know how to sort of, add those visuals or the aerial view or the drone view, whatever you want to add in, I think it'll do a fantastic job. So that's the beauty of Higgsfield AI. It's amazing for cinematic. I experimented with cinematic shots as well, and it was quite good. And so this is what really helped bring out the product placement for me, and I was able to showcase that. So with each of the images where I needed the voiceover, I went image by image and added the camera angles, I added the voiceover, and once I had the videos, I just downloaded them onto my system. I also want to show you some of the experiments which I was able to do using Higgsfield AI and the cinematic feature. So that's the beauty of this. It transitions beautifully, smoothly, seamlessly, and yeah, it was fun experimenting with the cinematic feature as well. Now, some of the video clips which I did create needed a little bit of editing. For example, they were too long or my voiceover was a bit short. So I just went into the edit video mode here and was easily able to edit some of those clips as well. It was really easy. And then, I just downloaded all the final video clips. And after stitching all the video clips together, here's the final output in case you're wondering how it looks.
AI travel guide. She is not an influencer. She shares localized travel intelligence across Southeast Asia using travelwithlokki.ai. So many options. What's actually good here? Let me check travelwithlokki.ai. Travelwithlokki.ai gives me real local insights when I travel to Southeast Asia.
So honestly, I like the output, and it's definitely something I could put on YouTube Shorts or my Reels or even the TikTok video, for example. And what I really liked was that it was easy to use, and definitely the consistency. As I talked about the parameter earlier, which matters to me right now as a content creator, was consistency. And I like that Higgsfield AI was able to give me that consistency. So, some of my takeaways from this experience of using Higgsfield AI to create a video for my existing AI avatar were that I think it's good to know a little bit about the camera angles, which you can use in the prompts. And that is what helps you to make those nice, gripping, engaging videos. I like the consistency, it's great, and it's quite user friendly for content creators. It's great for creating Hollywood style clips, short clips, product videos, ads, stuff which is just viral on mobile, suitable for TikTok, Insta, and even YouTube Shorts. So, in a nutshell, I would recommend Higgsfield AI for content creation. So, if you're looking to create such amazing viral videos, do check out the link in the description of this video and just get started on your journey.